This one doesn't even need introduction. I don't need to be saying what, hey, hi, wait. Mara ngizokusho ukuthi manzokuphila benine event. I saw people on TikTok, and I haven't seen any video yet on YouTube, nor have I received any content. And I was like, yo, it's been a minute since I reacted to Living. Excuse me. Welcome to Mozart Music, a platform where we examine music, break down Malaysian, try and get the message behind the song, give positive feedback, we inspire others. Basically, we always post non-toxic Zion content. Bazalwane. As I'm currently shooting this, we are sitting on 485. Questions have been asked. Answers haven't been given yet. But all I can say to people is just wait. Linda, this is nice. All I can say to people is relax. Wait. Just relax. Just understand. We are coming. Siesa. So anyway, today we are reacting to Amanzokuphila. It's been a while. But I'm actually excited by the videos that will drop, and as soon as they drop, I don't care what I drop in whatever time I drop in react. It's been a while since I've reacted to Amanzokuphila. So namhlanje reacting to Living Well Amanzokuphila. Umsindisi. I forgot to connect this again. Again. Man. Ish. But it happened. It happens. So let's connect it up quick. Hey, guys, again, I'm my recommendations, ne? And I'm loving how things have been going lately, and obviously me discovering other churches as well. And my recommendation that I was getting, oh yes, during the week I have to drop a reaction to an album. Kunenkonzo engiyibonile, drop an album like 2 months ago. So we are reacting to Amanzokuphila. Umsindisi nguwe oyithemba lami. Yeah, yasizwa manje isizulu sami siyeza kancane hanyana. So without wasting you guys' time, let's dive right into it. Ngiyakhohle atheke lentuzana Living. It's one of the quickest, bro. It's they don't have time. Angisasho namanje. Yippee bass that can bass better than the bass association. I keep asking y'all, bro. Oh my god. One voice, right? I'm not sure. But yeah, man, that man's voice, bro. That man's voice. And another thing, if there is a song in the video where he's leading, guys, comment. This man's voice, I went at the time for youth service, man. This guy's voice took me up. Him and the other gent. Guys, I'm bad at names. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm bad at names. But remembering, we are lying. Remembering voices and faces, aye. Listen to him, bro. Listen to him, bro. Like, listen long ozophuma kuye. Abi voice yakhe it's azasona to yes. Eish. Listen, listen. I thought so. I thought so. My sister, Nyazni 3, it's Oket, and then there's the other two. Tule, I haven't got your guy's name yet. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi isikhathi mase I will get names and I will get used to it. Oh, tell me, yabona the lady Oshaifa's bad right now, bro. That child, man, that with that voice, but she be moving mountains, bro. And that's the crazy part, ne? The crazy part is that yeah, nah, and the other one, I got the other one, their voice are almost similar, like like very similar. Ket Maratula Nyamuzo, very similar, bro, very similar. Am I tripping? There's another female voice. Yeah, there's a I think there's someone else up a car. I think, but I just heard so I'm like, yo, I think I heard it. I heard yazi manzokuphila le tendency yenu le ayikho right, ayijwayeleki. You see, yabona i-well, ne, i-well, if you've seen a well before, eh, bro. Okay, how can I do this? Ukalalela amanzi mawavulele, and then you anything that you place has a sound to it, right? Vulela amanzi, you place an empty cup upside down. Big isandla, the sound is different. Living has dead, bro. It has this thing ukuthi, man, while they singing, it's like someone somewhere will snap, and then you turn your head. There's a voice somewhere there, and then you start to negate. There's another one somewhere there. I don't know how they do it, bro. I don't know how they do it, but they doing it. I'm like, right now, something like that. Who was that, bro? Like, who was that? Ay, Barcelona, see you again. See, Vale. No. Asiyivaleni bafethu. Asiyivaleni. Ngintshela njalo. Ngabo laba they are one of those churches, bro. Every time when I react to them, bro, there's always somebody new. Right? You know, March, April, May, June, July, August. 6 months. 6 months. 6 months. React. 6. And let me tell you, every time, bro. Every time there's a new guy, there's a new voice, there's a new someone doing something somewhere. Like, bro, how? Like, how? How? Like, how many registered singers do we have? As Sikonza, emanzi nokuphila. And some of the people that I know, Eba Konzala, that I personally know, and I know, you see, these ones have voices. One of them, you're by Bugen. It's rude to mention names. They sing, ne, but I haven't seen them here. And I still say, ukuthi, bro, this church has underdogs. There are people who sing when they have to. You understand? Like you can't. Ususa lo, there's that person. Ususa lo, kunalo. Usathi unakele kuvumbu komunye. Usathi unako vumbu le 20 years. Now you like, and I keep saying, as singers Sasa Zion, ni vumbu gapi. Where do you guys come from? I am missing out. Oh, how are you, sir? Hello. Bafethu, I'm speaking to the GS. I sense of cooking Zion. Oh my god. What you see the pride. Now, guys, pride and ego is two different things. Ego is the opposite of pride. Ne? Yabona the pride ekhona emanzini mfana, it's one of the most beautiful things you'll ever find. The way they love themselves and the way they carry ibhetjha ukuthi kusemanzi unokuphila impilo ithola la yaphilwa la dog, like irrespective of anything you want to say, bro. I've experienced it firsthand. That's why I will always also be unbiased as well as I can, but I will always show them and give them their flowers for always being themselves. Always, bro. Like always. Any any song yasemanzi nokuphila, any video yasemanzi nokuphila, the energy never lies. The energy is always the same, bro. So I keep telling people, I'm Zion, Zobon. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, I think did you guys drop the song somewhere? Actually, there's someone named Zumbos I know who's on Yepa. I really need to start listening to old albums, bro. Like, I feel like from 2014 until 2019, a lot of churches dropped a lot of albums, but around that time, I couldn't care less, bro. It's going up around that time. But bro, so many songs were dropped, bro, and I'm like, yo, we still need more Zion music, guys. Uncle Shaw, ne, but Davan Basaman's Pillar will confirm this. I'm not sure if it's rumors But I do suspect Tuguti there might be another album coming. I don't know. I'm just saying. I don't know. I don't know. I might be wrong. I might be wrong. I don't want to create false hype and people get like, yeah. Mm-mm. But I am just saying. All I am saying is, if you haven't visited a Zion Church, bruv, you are missing out. Our Zion Church, not ZCC. You can go there if you want to. It's nice. But if you haven't, yo, like imanzi kuphela bazoyithoba inhliziyo yakho mfana. Fika laphaya mfethu inhliziyo mhlawumbe bazifika bathi. We understand. These. The only thing I'm gonna say to the people and to the masses is that if you haven't visited the Zion Church, you are definitely missing. Like that's why I always say, and I think this is going to be my slogan from now on. If you eliminate jealousy and competition in church, you get the best abilities of everybody. This is what we talk about. This is what I live for. Because we are all sharing a common goal. We all want to reach the same thing. We all have the same idea at the end of the day. So let's come together and create something beautiful, not just for us. Whoever we are, I want SCS or whatever it is that we're doing, but for the people outside who are looking in, so that they go like, you know what, I wanna go there. I love this. I enjoy this. They're talking to me. I understand. So, yo, in the favorite note of who, me, Street Jupiter, I'm signing out. Adios.